station. I'm somebody special in this world. That's why I have many special talents that only I can do. You see, when I make my decision and choose which way to go, the talent God has given me will help me. This I know. Maybe I could be a doctor to help me disease. Maybe I could be a lighter to light the top. Maybe I could be the dentist to pull your aching teeth. Maybe I could be a nurse and help you when you eat. Maybe I could be a teacher to teach little children how to write and count numbers. Maybe I could be a policeman to help peace and order. Maybe I could be a farmer to eat. Maybe I could be a police, a soldier, or what you need. The war